In this video, I will show you how to clean a gold necklace at home. Gold necklaces have an enduring allure, radiating timeless elegance and luxury. Whether you wear your gold necklace daily or reserve it for special occasions, it's essential to keep it looking its best. Over time, gold jewelry can accumulate dirt, oils, and tarnish, which can diminish its luster. The good news is that you can effectively clean your gold necklace at home with a few simple steps, using items readily available in your kitchen. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process of safely and efficiently cleaning and caring for your gold necklaces, ensuring they continue to shine brilliantly for years to come. Materials you'll need: mild dish soap. Look for a gentle dish soap without harsh chemicals or abrasives. Warm water. Lukewarm water is ideal for cleaning gold jewelry. Soft-bristle toothbrush or a soft cloth. Choose a toothbrush with soft bristles to avoid scratching the gold. Bowl. A small bowl or container to prepare the cleaning solution. Soft microfiber or jewelry polishing cloth. These cloths are perfect for gently buffing and polishing your gold necklace. Optional, ammonia for stubborn tarnish. Only use this as a last resort and with caution. The step-by-step cleaning process. Prepare a cleaning solution. Begin by filling a bowl with lukewarm water. Add a few drops of mild dish soap to the water. Ensure the soap is gentle and does not contain abrasive components. Soak the necklace. Gently place your gold necklace into the soapy water, ensuring it's fully submerged. Allow the necklace to soak for about 10-15 minutes. This soaking period will help to loosen and dislodge any accumulated dirt, oils, and tarnish. Gently clean with a soft brush or cloth. After soaking, carefully remove the necklace from the soapy water. Use a soft bristle toothbrush or a soft cloth to gently scrub the necklace. Pay special attention to intricate details and any areas where dirt or tarnish may be concentrated. Take your time to avoid scratching the gold. Rinse the necklace under a gentle stream of lukewarm running water. Make sure all the soap is thoroughly washed away, as any remaining residue can leave a film on the gold if not properly rinsed. Dry the necklace. Once rinsed, gently pat the gold necklace dry with a clean, soft, and lint-free cloth. Alternatively, you can let it air dry. Avoid using paper towels, as they can scratch the metal. Polish with a microfiber cloth. After the necklace is completely dry, use a soft microfiber or jewelry polishing cloth to gently buff the gold. This step will help restore its shine and remove any remaining smudges or water spots. Optional, ammonia for stubborn tarnish. Use with caution. If your gold necklace exhibits stubborn tarnish that the above steps couldn't fully remove, you can consider using a diluted ammonia solution as a last resort. Mix 1 part ammonia with 6 parts water to create a mild cleaning solution. Avoid using this method on necklaces with gemstones, pearls, or delicate components, as ammonia can be harsh on certain jewelry materials. Submerge the necklace in the diluted ammonia solution for no longer than 1 minute. Rinse the necklace thoroughly under a lukewarm running water and follow the previous cleaning steps. Always exercise caution when using ammonia. Additional tips and advice for gold necklace care. Regular cleaning. To maintain the luster of your gold necklace, consider cleaning it regularly, at least once a month. Regular cleaning prevents the accumulation of tarnish and grime, making the cleaning process easier each time. Avoid harsh chemicals. Do not use harsh chemicals, abrasive cleaners, or harsh detergents on your gold necklace. These can damage the metal's finish and any gemstones or other materials it may have. Inspect gemstones and settings. If your gold necklace includes gemstones or is intricately designed, inspect it carefully before cleaning. If you notice loose stones or damaged settings, it's best to take your necklace to a professional jeweler for repair. Cleaning might exacerbate these issues. Ultrasonic cleaners. Ultrasonic jewelry cleaners are available in the market and can be effective for cleaning gold necklaces. However, be sure to read the manufacturer's instructions and ensure your necklace is suitable for this method. Storage. When you're not wearing your gold necklace, store it in a soft pouch or a separate jewelry box to prevent it from getting scratched. Keep it away from direct sunlight and extreme temperatures. Avoid contact with harsh substances. Remove your gold necklace when applying cosmetics, lotions, and perfumes, as these substances can dull its shine and tarnish the metal over time. Professional cleaning. If you have a valuable or antique gold necklace, consider having it professionally cleaned and inspected by a jeweler. They can assess its condition and provide recommendations for maintenance. In conclusion, cleaning and caring for your gold necklace at home is a simple process that can help preserve its beauty and value. Regular maintenance and following the steps outlined in this guide will ensure your gold necklace continues to shine brilliantly for many years. Remember to exercise caution and use the optional ammonia solution sparingly, particularly if your necklace has gemstones or delicate components. By following these tips, your gold necklace will remain a treasured piece of jewelry for generations to come.